Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital deals you can do on Saturday, April 25th. I have just a few scenarios and they're all under $12. So if you're interested in finding out what they are, just keep watching. Okay guys, if you don't mind, will you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up? It really helps me out and it takes very little effort from you, so I'd really appreciate it. Okay, let's do it. I want you all to know I am in no way promoting you to go out for no reason to go shopping, but I do know people have to get stuff. So if you have to go out, just be safe. Don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth, and when you get out of there, sanitize your hands really good. I know right now times are hard and money's tight, so I'm here to try to help you save a little bit of money getting the things you might need. With that being said, let's go over a few things you need to remember about shopping at Dollar General. First thing, you're going to scan every single item that you are planning on purchasing. Why, you ask? Well, because you want to make sure the prices are coming up correctly. Sometimes what's listed on the shelf is not what the actual price is. Another reason is you want to make sure the digital coupons are attaching to that item. Like with Gain, for instance, some cents the coupons will attach and some cents the coupon will not attach. The next thing to remember is you want to make sure your total comes to $25 before coupons. But there are exceptions to that, like in one of my scenarios I have Cottonelle and there's a $3 instant savings. So for that scenario you have to make sure your total is $28 before coupons. And lastly, remember, get what you need, not what is cheap. A lot of people will put those travel size items in your scenario because they're absolutely free, but really you're just getting like 4 uses out of them. Why not pay $1 and get 20 uses out of it? Just my opinion, so don't expect to see a bunch of travel size stuff in mine. And now a quick rundown of how to use the app to scan your items. First thing you're going to do is open your app. Down at the bottom, right in the middle, it says list. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up your shopping list. Then up top, you're going to check and make sure that your location is the store that you are at. If not, you're going to hit change store and select the correct location. And finally, you're going to click on this little barcode and it's going to open up your scanner. I'm going to scan a few items from my stockpile to show you what we're looking for. First, let's scan this bottle of Gain dish soap. You'll see that there's a 50-cent coupon attaching to it, as well as the Gain 5 off 30 coupon. So you could use this item in a Gain scenario. Now let's add it to our cart. If we click right here where it says deals applied, it'll drop down and show you the coupon attached to that item. Let's go back up here and hit the scanner again, and we're going to go and scan another item. Here we are going to scan an Airwick multi refill pack. Once we scan it, we are going to see that there are no coupons listed below, which means no coupons attached to this item. Now on to another item. We're going to scan a You Buy Kotex because I know there is a coupon that attaches to it. So let's pick it up here and scan it. So once we get it scanned, we will notice that there is going to be a $1 coupon attaching to it. The regular price is $3.60. With the $1 coupon, it lowers the price to $2.60. You want to make sure this little check mark is here. That means it is clipped to your account. One last final and quick thing is this subtotal at the bottom here on the right. Do not go by what this says. Sometimes it'll be correct, but more times than not, it will be incorrect. My suggestion is do a little old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Before we go any further, let me tell you about Fetch Rewards. If you are truly serious about couponing and saving money, then you need to download this app. Fetch is the easiest app to use. They have over 300 participating brands. Basically, if you buy one of their 300 participating brands, Fetch gives you cash back. They also have bonus points they give for certain products that are featured on their Discover page. Even if your receipt doesn't have any participating brands, you'll still get 25 points. You can scan up to 14 receipts in a 7-day period. So if you don't already have Fetch Rewards, go ahead and download the app. You can use my referral code, BRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt. Your first receipt can be for anything like a pack of gum. So go ahead and download the app and use my referral code, VRYQQ. Okay, let's start by talking about this. This digital coupon we're going to use in a couple of our scenarios. A lot of people are saying it's fraud to use it because we're using it on Tide Simply. If it said excluded Tide Simply, I would not be using it in my scenario, but since it does not exclude Tide Simply, we are going to be using it. But if you feel like using that coupon on Tide Simply is not correct, then just go ahead and skip those scenarios. Okay, let's get started. For our first scenario, we're going to be picking up one of the Bic Comfort 3 disposable razors for $3. We're going to pick up one Snuggle oil warmer for $3. We're going to pick up 3 of the Kitten Caboodle dry cat food for $3.75 each. We're going to buy 2 of the Tide Simply pods for $2.95 each. And we're going to pick up 1 box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros. Now we want to make sure these coupons are clipped to your account. You're going to clip that $2 off one Bic razor. You're going to clip the $3 off one Snuggle warmer. You're going to clip that buy 2 get 1 free Kitten Caboodle digital coupon. You're also going to clip that 50 cents off one Tide Simply, the $2 off one Tide Pods, the $1 off 1 box of cereal, and you're going to make sure you have that 5 off 25 clipped to your account. After the cashier scans all your items, your total will come up to $26.15. You're going to enter your number in the keypad. $17.25 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.90. Okay, and now for our next scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to pick up one Bic Razor Comfort 3 for $3. We're going to pick up one of the Snuggle Oil Warmers for $3. One of the Gain Dryer Sheet 105 count for $4.50. And we're going to pick up a tub of Gain Flings, the 51 count, for $13.50. Now you're going to want to make sure you have these coupons clipped to your account. You're going to need the $1 off one Crest toothpaste, the $2 off one Bic Razor digital coupon, the $3 off one Snuggle Warmer digital coupon, the $1 off one Gain Fabric Softener digital coupon, and the $2 off one Gain Flings digital coupon. You're also going to want to make sure you have that 5 off 25 clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will come up to $26. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $14 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $12. Okay, moving right along, we're going to pick up one of the U-Buy Kotex tampons for $3.25. We're going to pick up one Bic Comfort 3 razor for $3. We're going to pick up one of those Snuggle oil warmers for $3. We're going to pick up 2 12-packs of Cottonelle toilet paper. They're $7 each. We're going to buy one 45 count box of Kleenex. And we're going to buy 1 box of Gain Dryer Sheets, the 105 count. And now you're going to want to make sure you have these coupons clipped to your account. You need the $2 off one U-Buy Kotex, the $2 off one Bic digital coupon, the $3 off one Snuggle warmer, the $2 off 2 Cottonelle, the $1 off one Gain fabric softener, and of course you want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. After all your items have been scanned, your total will be $28.75. When the cashier hits total, $3 in instant savings will come off. Then you're going to enter your number at the keypad. $15 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.75. Okay, for this last scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Bic Comfort 3 razors for $3. We're going to buy 1 box of U-Buy Kotex tampons for $3.25. We're going to buy 1 Snuggle oil warmer for $3. We're going to pick up 4 of the Suave deodorants for $1.75 each. We're going to buy 2 bags of the Tide Simply pods for $2.95 each. And we're going to buy 1 box of Chocolate Toast Crunch for $3. Now clip these coupons to your account. You're going to clip the $2 off 1 Bic, the $2 off 1 Kotex, the $3 off 1 Snuggle warmer, the $2 off a $7 purchase of Suave products, the 50 cent off 1 Tide Simply, the $2 off 1 Tide, the $1 off 1 Big G cereal, and of course that 5 off 25. After the cashier rings up all your items, your total will be $25.15. You're going to enter your phone number at the keypad. $17.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.65 or 76 cents each. Okay, that's all the scenarios I have for today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell. Turn on post notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you're on TikTok, you should head on over there. You can follow me at My Couponing Life. And if you're on Instagram, you can follow me over there at My Couponing Life on YouTube. Also, be sure to check out my community tab here on YouTube. If I have information I want to get out to you quickly, I will post it there. For example, early this week, I told you to clip that Snuggle coupon on my community tab because it was going to be needed in the breakdowns. You're going to want to come back here on Saturday and check out my video. I'm going to be doing an update a month after quarantine of my stockpile. If you haven't seen my original stockpile tour, you can click the card above, or I'll put a card at the end of the video. Again, thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my videos. Oh, hey, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It's one of the top ways you can help out my channel. And until next time, bye.